Hello friends, this is Sharmi from the Amateur Gardener. A couple of things today. First of all, sometime today or maybe tomorrow, we are going to install a Hoselink. This will be the fourth Hoselink on our property. This will be the second one in our back garden. And one was just not enough. And we have been thinking about this for a while. I ordered the Hoselink, I think it was during Black Friday, something like that, and we were waiting for the right opportunity to get it installed. So this weekend the plan is to install the hose link. Okay, and so the hose link is a watering system. It is not an inexpensive option, so it may not be the right option for a lot of people, but for people that have any like a sizable garden, having a hose link is one of is a good investment in my opinion. That said, nothing is, there are no hard rules. You can do water your plants whichever way you like, and whatever works for you, it's the best for you. Okay, but this is what we did, and once we switched to one hose link, now this is the fourth one. Hopefully we'll stop at this one, and unless we change houses and move to a different place. Now this hose link it will be mainly for our veggie gardens in summer, which gets really hot here. We are deep in the south, and over here summer's temperatures are easily hover around the 100 degrees range. So they need supplemental watering. Sometimes we have to water in the evenings or late afternoon to keep them going. So which is why I wanted the hose link, so that I don't have to drag the hose that far. We have one of the 82 feet. Actually, all our hose links are 82 feet long, and then I have two 16-inch 16 feet connectors, but they were not cutting it. They were still not enough. So we decided to get this one. We're going to show you from how I get it installed, starting with the 4x4 that we dig a hole and fix it to the ground, and then attach the hose link to the 4x4. We what we use a cedar post, so it has a longer life, and then I also cover it up. These are longer life, and I also use a jacket over the wood so that it lasts longer. I will be using a Y connector. I'm not sure we have one right now, but at some point I want a Y connector so that I can have access to like a faucet type, like a water outlet, as well as the other part of the Y will be connected to the hose link. My husband is definitely going to help me to put this together. I don't think I can handle this kind of job myself. So we have done this in the past. This is the fourth one that we are putting together. So I think we can do it. We can handle it ourselves. This is one, and then the other thing I wanted to talk to you about. I'm super happy, super excited, because this week I reached 50 subscribers. It was sometime earlier this week. I am definitely very happy. I just started this channel this month. It was earlier in February. I think the 2nd or the 3rd of February that I posted my first video. I have to look it up. But it is awesome to have 50 subscribers in the first month. Thank you all that have subscribed, and also everyone that has viewed my video and also has liked my video. I would strongly like appreciate if you could like pass the word on, share the video with your friends and families, with people that love plants like you and me. And in order to celebrate this feat of 50 subscribers, I am going to add a drone view of my garden, my both front and back garden area. Hopefully you'll like it, and let me know what you'll think about it. And it also will give you some perspective when I talk about certain plants, certain areas, so you'll know which area I'm talking about. I would really like if you'll post more comments on YouTube. That way I can respond, and we can make this more interactive. Okay, so let's get on to the installation of the hose link. Okay, so here we are trying to install the hose link. So what we do is we took a 4x4, which is this one, and then we used a case The hole was dug like 1.5 feet deep, and then we are going to cement it with something that is not cement but works like it. It's called Sika post fix that we are going to use. And of course, I need help of my husband to do this, but he'll be working behind the scenes. So let's take you along with me. As you can see, the material is kind of rising up. All I need to do is make sure I hold this hole really steady. And this stuff, whatever it is, once it'll harden off soon, and then we can cut it off. Okay, now you can see that this material has hardened off, and we are going to cut it off snug to the surface. So it's now nice and dry, and the post is very stable and steady. This is how the post looks. It's kind of very rock solid now. We're going to attach the hose link to this. We're going to put a little cap. We're going to put a little cap on the post. But since we should have cut this like an inch lower, or we should have like made the post a bit taller. But we'll just make a quick fix. We'll put a small 4x4 on top and then put the cap on top of it. Okay, and then the hose link will go here. trying to attach the hose link to the post. Okay, so there goes our hose link, has been set up, ready to use. The only thing that we have to do is put a Y splitter over there so that I can have like a faucet free if I need to. And then the other one will be the hose link. Okay. We have another hose link in the backyard, but then this part of the backyard is far and it doesn't reach the entire space. So I always have to use like connectors, and it becomes like a tedious thing to do over the summer. Hopefully you'll like the installation process. There are many ways to install a hose link. I think there are some that go directly on ground, and there are some that you can install against a wall. Lots of different ways. We found it easier to get a 4x4 and install it with that, because if I didn't want to install it against the wall, I didn't want to damage the wall. That's one. And the other thing is the fence. We could put it against a fence post, but fence is not permanent. So hopefully you like the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. And also, we are getting a little bit of a cold spell here, and cold spell for us, as I said earlier, is temperatures in the 40s is cold for us. So that's why I'm trying to shoot as much as possible within the greenhouse, so where it is nice and warm. Okay, and it's not a freeze by any means. We are not going to it's not that cold. It's not good. We're not getting a freeze. We are far beyond that. Hopefully we don't get any more. And the plants are outside and they'll be just fine. It's just very windy, and the temperatures have been dropping, so I didn't want to stay outside to do the video. Hopefully you'll like the video, and also let me know what y'all think about the drone photos. I myself have never shot drone pictures before, so my husband helped me shoot the drone video. So hopefully y'all liked it, but I think we'll get better with time. This was our first drone video. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.